Hi friends, this video shows how to reset network settings and fix network problems. Open settings, tap on the settings app icon, then go down, then select additional settings, then go down, then select backup and reset, then select erase all data. So here you can see reset network settings. So this option will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. It will delete the existing APN and create a new working APN. So let me tap on this option, then tap on reset network settings. Now it's resetting, done. So after that you can check your network issues. If this is not fixing your issue, you can try reset system settings only. Tap on this option. So this will reset system settings including network settings. Tap on reset system settings only. Now it's restoring. So you can try these two options. So this way we can fix network related issues. So please try it.